Welcome to Level Up, exploring the power of AI, a fun and understandable introduction to artificial intelligence, its different forms, and its impact on the future. Ever wished you had a robot sidekick like in your favorite sci-fi movie? We're not quite there yet. Artificial intelligence is bringing us closer to that reality. Today, we'll explore the secrets behind this incredible technology. Our mission: uncover the advanced tech of AI, from how it learns to how it builds. We'll cover intelligence and AI. Machines can learn, machine learning. AI that can create things, generative AI. Why it's important for humans and AI to work together responsibly. What amazing things the future holds.
Roll out!
Think for a moment. What's the smartest thing you can do? What makes you intelligent? We'll see how some of those ideas relate to how we're trying to make machines intelligent too. So what makes you smart? Things like learning new things, solving problems, understanding language, and making decisions. That's what we call intelligence. Imagine you're learning a new math concept. At first, it's hard, but you watch the teacher's explanation, consult your book, and practice. And eventually, you get really good. That's you showing intelligence by learning and adapting. Now, artificial intelligence is about trying to make computers do some of those smart things that humans, and sometimes animals, can do. It's about giving machines the ability to think and learn. Think of it like teaching a dog to play fetch. You show it the ball, say fetch, and reward it when it brings it back. Over time, the dog learns to connect the words and actions, just like you learned the rules of that video game. Everything's going digital, and AI is becoming a big thing. Different types of AI. Machine learning. Computer vision. Autonomous systems. Robotics. Natural language processing. Generative AI. So how do we teach computers to be smart? We use something called machine learning. Instead of spelling out every single step, we feed it tons of examples, what we call data. It spots patterns and makes its own rules. Supervised learning. Imagine flashcards, question on one side, answer on the other. The computer studies the right answers, guesses next time, gets better. Unsupervised learning. No labels, no guidance, just raw data. Like solving a puzzle without the box picture. You group similar pieces, find hidden patterns. Reinforcement learning. Trial and error, rewards for wins, penalties for flops. Think learning to ride a bike. No words can explain balance. You fall, you try again. Your brain learns from every wobble to stay upright. You can try it. Develop a fun project using Google's Teachable Machine. It requires a webcam and microphone. It is very visual and intuitive for training simple models to recognize images, sounds, or poses. You could train it to recognize different hand gestures or your favorite objects. Generative AI. This is a kind of AI that can actually create new things. Things that weren't there before. It can generate text, images, music, and even videos. Generative AI learns from huge amounts of existing data, like millions of books, websites, images, and videos. It learns patterns in that data, and then uses those patterns to create something new that looks similar, but isn't exactly the same as anything it has seen before. Generative AI doesn't just do one thing. It comes in different flavors, or as we say in the AI world, modalities. There's text generation, like ChatGPT writing you an essay or answering a question. Image generation, turning a sentence into a picture. And there's music, video, and even code generation. But here's where it gets really cool. Multimodal AI. That means one single AI that can work with multiple types at once. As you can see here, diverse data goes in. A massive foundational model processes it. You guide it with your prompts, and out comes content in different formats: text, images, audio, or video. You can show it a photo, and ask it to describe what's happening. Or give it text and have it generate an image. It mixes and matches input one type, output another. So how do you actually talk to these AIs? That's where prompt engineering comes in. And yes, it's a real skill. There's a simple framework. Define your task. Give it context. Specify what you want back. And then refine. Because AI is a conversation, not a one-shot deal. Let's see this in action. See the difference? Same AI. Completely different results. There are also different strategies. Zero shot. You just ask directly, no examples. Few shot. You show a couple of examples of what you want first, then ask. It's like asking someone, tell me a joke, versus telling them 2 jokes you like and saying, tell me a joke like these. More context, better results. And this is just the beginning. There are more advanced techniques like chain of thought, where you ask the AI to reason step by step. But that's a topic for another video. Behind the scenes. Most text AI today, like ChatGPT or Claude, is built on something called a transformer. Its secret weapon. Attention. The AI learns which words matter most to each other. So the cat sat on the mat because it was tired. The AI figures out that it refers to the cat, not the mat. Just like you did, instantly. For image generation, many models use diffusion. They start with pure noise, like static on a TV, and remove it step by step, until a clear image appears. Different tools, different techniques. These 2 ideas, attention and diffusion, are behind most AI models we see today. Alright, now it's your turn. Here's a challenge you can try right now. Go to crayon.com. It's free, no account needed, and try your own. Get creative, be specific, and tell me in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. AI is impressive, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it makes mistakes, and sometimes it can be unfair. We call that bias. That's why we need human in the loop, as AI works best when humans and machines team up. Think of it like a coach and an athlete. The AI does the heavy lifting, but humans are there to train it, check its work, and correct it when it goes off track. Before AI can learn anything, humans select and label examples. Without good example data, AI can't learn properly. Checking AI's work. Humans review the AI's outputs to see if it's getting things right or wrong. Helping AI learn more. Human in the loop makes AI better. You've probably heard this before. And it applies perfectly to AI. As AI gets more powerful, using it responsibly becomes crucial. Responsible AI. There are 5 big principles to keep in mind. Fair. AI shouldn't be biased against anyone. Imagine an AI deciding who gets a job, but it unfairly rejects people based on age or gender. That happens when training data isn't diverse enough. Transparent. We should understand how AI makes decisions. No secret black boxes. Private. Your personal data matters. What you share with AI should be protected. Accountable. If AI makes a mistake, someone needs to be responsible. Who's in charge when things go wrong? Safe. AI must be reliable and not cause harm. Here's a question. Imagine your school starts using AI to grade your essays. It's faster, it's consistent. But you notice students who write in a more casual style always get lower grades, even when their ideas are great. Is that fair? Who's responsible? The school, the company that made the AI, or the AI itself? There's no easy answer. And that's exactly the point. Being responsible with AI means asking these tough questions. So where is all this heading? The future with AI is full of possibilities. AI can help doctors detect diseases earlier and develop new treatments faster. AI can create learning experiences tailored just for you, at your pace, your style. AI can help monitor deforestation, track climate change, and protect wildlife. AI is becoming a powerful collaborator for artists, musicians, and writers. Of course, as AI gets more advanced, it will change how we work and live. Being prepared means staying curious and learning new skills. And here's the most important part. You are the generation that will grow up with AI and shape what it becomes. By learning about AI now, how it works, what it can do, and how to use it responsibly, You're not just preparing for the future. You're building it. So, what will you create with AI?